1, especially to Sir Rogan. I'm Azel CRC and I'm here to all of you to report the number 5. So let's proceed to question number 1. Each row of Nicotin bells is made of tiles, 6, 8, 10, and 12. How many tiles are in the 7th row? Our formula is A sub n equal A sub 1 plus n minus 1 over b. Our A sub 1 is 6 kasi siya yung una dito sa tiles. And our D is 2 since 2 yung increase niya per tiles and our n is 7 kasi pang 7th row yung hinahanap natin. So, A sub 7, yung natin siya niluha. And yung 6 natin is A sub 1 plus, ang 7 natin is, ang n natin is 7 minus 1 and our D is 2. A sub 7 equals 6 plus 7 minus 1 is equal to 6 and 2. A sub 7 equals 6, 6 times 2 is equal to 12, and our A sub 7 is equal to 18. So, there are 18 in the 7th row. So, let's proceed to my question number 2. A gardener tiles a narrow garden pot using either small tiles that cover 1 square or large tiles that cover 2 squares. If the pot is 6 squares, how long? 6 squares long. How many different basic and tiles do you have? Our formula is D sub n equal D n minus 1 plus D n minus 2. So this is our base case. Ito pong number 2 is exactly the Fibonacci sequence. So ang gagawin lang natin, pwede naman natin siya gawing i-plus na lang natin yung first at second para makuha. Pero ito yung solution na gagamitin natin kapag malalaki yung number. Pero since maliit lang naman, pwede natin gawin yung mas easy method. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5, and 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. 5 plus 8 is equal to 30. Pero yung ginamit ko dyan by formula is, yung D sub 1 natin is 1, kaya 1. Yung D sub 0 natin is 1, kaya 1, kaya naging 2. Tapos dito naman, yung D sub 2 natin is 2, yung sagot, and yung D sub 1 natin is 2, kaya naman. Yun po yung ginagamit na ipagpa-class.
Ano yung T
So let's
term?
proceed naman sa question number 3. A student stocks books in a pattern on a shelf. Row 1, 2 books. Row 2, 4 books. Row 3, 8 books. Row 4, 6 books. If the pattern continues, how many books will there be on row 7? Our formula is A sub 7 equal A sub 1 multiplied by R sub n minus 1. So, our A sub 1 is 2 kasi siya ulit yung una dito sa row, and our n is 7 kasi 7 yung hanap, and our R is 2 kasi yun yung pagitan nila. So, A sub 7 equal to, our A sub 1 is 2 times 2, yung R natin is 2, and yung n natin is 7 minus 1. A sub 7 equal to times 2, 7 minus 1 is equal to 6. A sub 7 equal to multiply. Kaya po siya naging 64. I-times 2 po na 2 yung 6 na beses. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is equal to 64. So 2 times 64 is equal to 128. So our row 7